Most creators either spend hours editing videos or pay hundreds of dollars to an editor, but what if one free AI tool could replace your entire workflow? If you're a solo creator or freelancer, time is money, and edits eat both. Tutorial rabbit holes, revision loops, blown deadlines. Traditional video editing is expensive and slow. You either learn complex software or pay an editor hundreds per video, and the bill adds up fast. Meanwhile, your upload schedule slips. This tool is called InVideo AI, and it creates full videos from a simple text prompt. If you can describe it, you can ship it, without opening a traditional editor. Modern, practical, and built for speed, without losing your brand vibe. We'll stick to a clean blue and purple aesthetic throughout. Let me show you the exact workflow. By the end, you'll know if this can replace hours of editing. Let's build a video in minutes. Stick around for a cost breakdown and real-world use cases. Ready? Here we go. I type a simple prompt and let the AI generate the video. I include tone, target audience, and a rough outline. Pro tip, the clearer your prompt, the better the first draft. InVideo AI drafts the script, voiceover, and visuals together. It assembles a timeline, complete with captions and transitions. It pulls relevant stock, or you can upload your own assets. Brand colors and fonts apply in one click. It also balances music levels under the narration automatically. And here's the final result. A complete video created from a single prompt. I'd tweak a couple shots, but this is 90% there. Transitions are clean and modern out of the box. You can change voices, visuals, and scripts instantly. Swap any clip with one click. Edit lines right in the script panel. Captions update automatically. Export for YouTube, Shorts, or Instagram in seconds. Let AI suggest B-roll that matches your script. Your branding stays consistent across scenes. That's the base workflow, fast and flexible. Traditional editing takes 4 to 5 hours. With AI, it takes under 2 minutes. That's not a small tweak, that's a workflow shift. Script, source, cut, caption, score, done together. You get your afternoon back. Editors can cost hundreds per video. This tool has a free plan. If you scale weekly uploads, the savings stack up. 4 videos a month at $300 each. That's $200 you keep. Plus, fewer revision rounds, fewer plugins, less stock spend. Perfect for YouTubers, freelancers, agencies, and entrepreneurs. Freelancers beat deadlines without burning out. Agencies draft faster and iterate with clients in real time. Entrepreneurs ship product videos without waiting on edits. Great for explainers, shorts, course promos, even podcast highlights. Start with a template, then customize. Lock your brand kit once, reuse forever. Keep a small library of your best B-roll ready. Now let's talk pros and cons honestly. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and cheap. But creative control is limited compared to pro software. Speed wins when your priority is consistent publishing. The learning curve is almost flat. For zero to low cost, you get a full video pipeline. If you need frame-perfect control, keep a Pro NLE for final polish. Or export and finish in pro software, best of both worlds. For most creators, this tool can replace hours of editing and save hundreds of dollars every month. It's the closest thing to a one-prompt production line right now. Just set your brand kit, write clear prompts, and review the first draft. If you publish weekly, moving to AI is a no-brainer. Prompt, generate, tweak, export. 2 minutes to build, free to start, any aspect ratio. Hit publish with confidence. Subscribe for more AI tools that can transform your workflow. This is AI Hustle Pro, smart tools for creators. Check out my top 5 AI editors next. Like, comment, and share if this saved you time.